Welcome students to this online classroom. Today we will learn chapter number 5th of standard 7th subject computer. Chapter number 5th is formatting text. Students, in this chapter we will learn how to format text by using bold, italic, underline. Okay. What is the use of font dialog box? How to use text boxes? How to apply text shadow, how to give text color, how to apply bulleted list, how to apply numbered bullet, and how to remove that bullets and numbering. So these all things we will learn in chapter number 5. So students, let's start. Just like the formatting text feature in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint also has a feature of formatting text. Students, in 5th standard, we have already learned about the Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, we have used same functions for formatting the text. So same functions we will use in PowerPoint presentation. Formatting text in presentation. Let us learn to use some formatting tools from the font group. Students, font group is a very essential option to format our text in particular manner. How to format text? Let us see the steps. First, select the font you want to format. Second, click on the options available in the font group in the home tab. Depending upon the format you want, change the font type. And third, click on the drop down list button on the font box and select the new font from the list. Students, whenever you want to format any text, first of all you have to select that particular text. Okay, after selecting you just have to click on font group, then number of fonts will be available in front of you. Actually it is depending upon you what type of format you have to choose. Okay, once you clicked in that, you will see the number of fonts. You can choose any one according to your need. Next is click the drop down list button on the font size box and select the font size from the list. Now students, if you want to change the font size, simply you can change. How to change? Simply you have to click on font size option. Okay, there you can see the different font sizes. For example, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, etc. You can choose whatever size you want to apply to your selected text, or you can do the another steps too. Clicking on the increasing font size button or decrease font size button will also increase the or decrease the font size. Students, you can see the small a and big A. Okay, if you clicked on small a, the size will be decreased. If you clicked on big A, then your size will be increased automatically. Fifth, click on this button to make selected text bold. Students, if you want to make your text in a bold form, then simply you can click on the bold options which is showing on the screen. Sixth number, click on this button to italicize the selected text. Students, if you want to make your word line in italic form, simply click on I button. 7. Click on the button to underline the text. Students, whenever you want to highlight or underline any particular word, simply you have to select the word and then click on U button. Okay, while doing bold, italic, underline, whatever the steps you have followed, if you want to remove that bold, italic, underline, same step you have to follow again. Okay. 8 number, click on the align left or center or align right button to change the alignment of text. Students, now what is alignment? Alignment are nothing but if you want to put your text at the left side, center side, right side, or in the form of justify. Then you can apply alignments. Okay. 9 number, click on the numbering or bullets to apply the one you wish to apply the text. Now, bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering are the options by which we can highlight or we can make our text very sequential manner. Okay. Next is using the font dialog box. Now you can use the font dialog box. While using font dialog box, what type of options you can use, let us see. First, select the text to be formatted. Second, click on the small arrow in the font group in the home tab. The font dialog box will appear. Students, whenever you want to format any text, make sure that you have selected that particular text. Okay. Second step, I'll repeat. Click on the small arrow in the font group in the home tab. Then font dialog box will appear. You can see a small arrow in the font group which is present in home tab. You have to click on that small arrow. After clicking, you will see a font dialog box will be in front of you, just like on the screen you can see. Third, from this dialog box, choose the formatting option you want: font, font style, size, color, effects, and etc. Students, once the font dialog box will appear in front of you, okay, you can choose the font, font style, font size, font color, font effect, etc. according to your need. 4. Click on the OK button to close the font dialog box and apply the changes to the selected text. Now, whatever the changes you have made from that font dialog box, if you want to apply that changes, simply you have to click on OK button. Okay. In addition to the standard text formatting tools of font choice and size, bold, italic, and underline, you can also add extra text, apply shadow to the text, change text color, and apply bullets and numbers. Students, with the help of font dialog box, you can also use the bold, italic, underline. Okay, you can also add the extra text. You can also add the shadow effect. You can also change the color of your text and bullets also. Okay, so these all things we can do with the help of font dialog box. So font dialog box is very important for formatting the text. Next is the text box. If you want to add extra text other than the layout text, you can use the text box. Students, whenever if you want to add extra text box, then simply you can add. How to add? Let us see the steps. First, click on the text box button in the text group from the home tab, insert tab. Second, place the cursor where the text to be typed. Students, if you want to insert extra text box, okay, then you have to click on insert tab. Okay, in insert tab you will see the text group, and from that text group you have to click on text box button. Okay, then second, place the cursor where the text has to be typed. Now you have to click where you wanted to type continuously. Third, hold down the left mouse button and drag it to achieve the desired box size. Now once you clicked on the surface, you have to press and hold the left mouse click, okay, and then drag down your mouse. And 4, release the mouse button. Once if you make sure that whatever the size of text box you want, it will be in front of you, then release the mouse button. 5th, type the text in the text box. Now whatever the text box will in front of you, you can ready to type in that particular text box. Number 6, click outside the text box when you finish, and once you finished your typing in the text box, you have to click outside to that particular text box. Next is the text shadow. You can give your text a different look by adding a shadow effect to it. How to do? Let us see the steps. Now, what is text shadow? Shadow means what? Means it is a one kind of shadow. Okay, to make our word in a shadow form. Okay, now how to change the simple text in shadow form? Let us see the two steps. First, highlight the text by selecting it. Whatever the text you want to make in a shadow form, you have to select that particular text. Second, click the text shadow button, that is you can see the yes button in the font group in the home tab. You will see the shadow effect in the slide view as shown in the picture. Once you clicked on that yes button, that is text shadow button, the shadow effect will be applied automatically. Okay. Next is text colors. You can change the text color using the font color button located in the font group in the home tab. To do this, follow the following steps. Students, text color. Now text color, you may very familiar with the text color. Whenever we want to apply some different color to our word or text line, simply we can use the color box. Okay, in PowerPoint you can do the same step. How to do? Let us see the 5 steps. First, highlight the text. Whatever the text you want to change in color, you have to highlight that text, means select that text. Okay. Second, click on font color in the font group from the home tab. It will open the color palette. After selecting the text, you have to click on font group, okay, which is available in home tab. Then you will see the color palette will be in front of you as shown in the picture at the right side. Third, select the color of your choice and then highlighted text will be changed to that color. From the color palette, whatever the color you have chosen, if you clicked on it, the selected color will be applied to the selected text in the PowerPoint slide. 4. If you are not satisfied with the color choice, you can make additional colors choices by clicking on the More Colors button. Now students, if you are not satisfied with this type of limited colors, you can make your another additional colors by clicking on More Colors button. Okay. Fifth, from the colors dialog box, pick the color you want to click OK. The color will be added to the color palette. Once you click on more colors, you will see the more colors in the another box. Whatever the color you want to give, just click on it. Once you click and press OK button, the selected color will be added in the color palette box. Okay. Next one is the bulleted list. The bullet is a dot or any other symbol such as an arrow used to enhance an important line of information. To make a bulleted slide, choose the bulleted list slide layout from the new slide dialog box. Select the type of bullet you wish to use. Now type in the text or add bullets to an existing list. Students, now what is bulleted list? Bulleted list means what? It is a one kind of list which we can show by using the some other bullets. Okay. What type of bullets we will see in another slides. Okay. So whenever you want to show some highlighted points, you can show in a bulleted form. Okay. In bulleting form, you can show in numbers also and bullets also. Next one is how to apply bullet. Now let us see the steps. First, highlight the list that you wish to bullet it. Second, click on the bullet icon in the paragraph group in the home tab. And third, your text will be bulleted. Notice how this affects your sentence. Students, If you open a bulleted box, okay, you have to click on bullet button which is available in the paragraph group in home tab. Once you clicked on bullets button, you will see one bullet box which is present on the screen right now. Third step, your text will be bulleted. Now see, from this dialog box, whatever the bullet you want to use, simply you have to tick or click. Once you clicked, the all changes will be made in your presentation slide, and you have to notice how the effects are given to your sentence. Okay, this is the bullet style. You can change the bullet style to do this. Now see, actually, whenever we are applying the bulleted list, okay, there is a one by default bullet style. Okay, if you want to change any other bullet, simply do the following steps. First, click on the home tab, choose the bullet option in the paragraph group. Means same step you have to follow. You have to click on bullet option from the paragraph group which is available in the home tab. And second, a window bullets and numbering menu appears. Click on any new style you wish to switch to. Students, whatever the box will in front of you, okay, it will show the number of bullets. Whatever the bullets you want to apply, simply click on that bullet. Once you clicked on, just press the OK button or simply press the enter button. The bulleted list will be applied to your selected text. Okay. Next is the numbered list. Now in bullet form, we can also add the numbers too. Sometimes we wish to have a number list rather than a bulleted list. Students, many times we are applying the bulleted list in the numbered form, which is 1, 2, 3, ABCD, Roman 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, which is available on the screen at the left side. You can see. So whenever you want to apply the numbered list, you have to follow the some steps. Step number first, to number a list, highlight the list. Whatever the matter you have typed in your presentation slide, you have to highlight that list. Means you have to select that list. Second, click on the home tab, choose the numbering options in the paragraph group. Again, same step you have to follow. You have to click on numbering options from the paragraph group which is available in the home tab. And third, a window bullets and numbering menu appears. Click on any new style you wish to use. After that, you will see a window which shows the some bullets and numbers, okay, that you can see at the left side on the screen. Whatever the numbers you like, simply click on it. It will add it to your slide automatically. Okay. Next is to remove bullets or numbering. Students, whatever the bullets and numbers we have applied, if you want to remove, how to remove? Just see. Select the list and then click on the appropriate button in the paragraph group. In the home tab, the bullets will be removed. For example, if you want to remove the bullets, simply you have to select the whole matter that you have already applied the bullets, as you can see on the screen at the right side. Okay, then you have to click on appropriate button. Now, which is appropriate button? You can see the none options, okay, at the left side. Simply you can click on none. The bulleted numbers list will be removed automatically. Or you can do the another steps. First, click on the home tab, then click on paragraph group, then bullets and numbers option you can see. You have to click on bullets and number options from the paragraph group. Then second, select the none options from the respective window and click on OK button. You can also click on none options to remove the bullets and numbering. So students, hope that you have understood these all points perfectly. If not, I am requesting you kindly watch this video again and understand. Thank you so much.